Hello everyone. So after a long time again we are starting our this series where we are going to learn the Verilog code for our circuits, okay? Our digital circuits. So I know after a long time I'm again trying to making such videos. Uh, Recently, I have uploaded one of the video where I have explained this, right. Last video, I have explained this code, and I verified this with my task-based test bench. So today, our task is to design our same 4 raised to 1 marks, okay, but with the another style of coding, okay. So hope you guys all know that how to create the file, how to save the file, how to uh, take that file, how to analyze your waveform, how to write the code for the test bench, okay. And I just hope that all you have worked on task based test bench also. So here today we will learn the second way of coding, and tomorrow we will learn case statement type of coding for the same marks, okay. So here for the one design means for the 4 raised to 1 marks, so you have designed in a three different way. First is using a sign, second is using this if else, which we are going to do today, and in the next day tomorrow we will work on case statement type of designs, and for same circuits we will design that one also, okay. So let's start. If you guys don't know how to save your file, how to create such files, just go with the previous videos, okay. From the first video only I have started from the scratch. I started teaching you all these codings. So from the first video, you guys just go through those videos and you guys will get to know how to design your circuits and what are the tools we are using here, okay. So let's start. Firstly I have to mute this code, right. I muted this code and I am enabling this code. Don't worry, I will explain this code to you also. See, here we are designing our 4 raised to 1 marks. So, for 4 raised to 1 marks, how many inputs are there, how many outputs are there, how many select line we have to take, that one I explained in a previous video. So here only coding part we will focus on only the coding part, okay. So my input is 0 down to 3 a, and one another input is 1 down to 0 cell in this is select line, and an output I have taken as a y, okay. So uh, see, uh, let me explain you the why means this time we are going for our that if else statement. So firstly you guys should know how to write the code, okay. Means what on a what way we know the way of we know the design of 4 raised to 1 marks, but how to make that design in our coding language, that one we will get to know by knowing this simple things, okay. See, if see if this one is your first input, second input, third input, and my laptop is not working properly, fourth input. Okay, and in same way I have taken as a two input as a select line. This one is a 4 is to 1 max, means simple box. We by seeing the box only we will get to know this is the design of 4 is to 1 max. Okay, so for the inner logic, what logic we perform here? Suppose I'm just assuming that this one is 0 bit, this one is 1 pin, not the bit pin actually, this one is second pin, and this one is third. My logic is, I will write my logic on the dependency of select line. Okay, on the dependency means according to my select line I should get the output. Okay, so whenever my select is 0 or 0, what should be my output? What should be my output? At that time my output should be zeroth. Okay, zeroth, whatever value I have at zeroth pin, that one should raise in a output format. Okay, that is my logics, right? And whenever there is a change in my what change in my select, suppose my select is 0 1, at that time what should my output? That time my output should be like whatever value is there at the 1th pin, that one should I should get at output. Okay, so in the same way, whenever your input is 1 and 0, that time what should be your output? That time your output should be second, right? That one should be your output. And when your select is 1 and a 1, at that time your third pin should be at the out, means third pin input should be at the output. It is your logic, right? So how you will going to design means, if I will write the code like if my select is 0 0, that time my output should be assigned with this pin. Okay, if if else या फिर else if my select is 0 1, my output should be 1th pin output. Okay, else if my this select is 1 0, my output will be second bit. If else this should be your at the output. See how you will going to write these things in your code format. Okay, that is our task, today's task. So everything is right here. See, using always block we will perform if else statement type of coding. Okay, so for that one use curly bracket. Okay, if select is to tick b 0 0. Okay, curly bracket I have used here. At that time what should be your y should be assigned with, see, this one is what, this one is your blocking, and this marks is what, combination circuits. Okay, so For the combination circuits we are using blocking. If it is not the combination circuit, if it is a sequential circuit, then we have to use like this only. Okay, here I will use blocking statements, and here I will make which pin, say A0. This A0 I have to equate with this Y. Okay, so A0, whatever is there in A0, that will be your output. Okay, now else if, then again you have to write this statement. It's like select cell equal to curly bracket to tick B01, right? 01. At that time what should be your y should be 8th 1 bit. Okay, see, now else else if this bracket, then curly bracket I'm using here. Okay, not here, actually here, cell, oh sorry, equal to I will tell you the difference between equal and equal to in next lecture. Okay, two tick, sorry, tick B10. Okay, at that time your y equal to a, which bit, second bit. Else if cell value is not 00, not 01, not 10, means maybe cell value is 10. At that time, for that one you don't need to explain that cell value should be 10. Okay, using else you can eliminate that line, and you can directly write like a, which bit, third bit. Okay, begin I have written, so I have to write like end and end module. Okay, let's save this code. Let's compile this code once. Compile selected. See, failed with 4 error. Net. Okay. I'm so sorry. See, whenever you are using here, one important concept I didn't tell you, that is whenever you are using always block. Okay, procedural assignment you are using here, at that time your output means your this side value should be reg type. Here should be reg. Okay, whatever variable is there which are going to get the value from somewhere. Okay, that one should be reg, means left hand side should be reg, right hand side it can be reg, it can be var. Okay, so see, it's successful now. Okay, let's check once TV test bench. I think we have written the test bench. We need to only verify our test bench with the same way, right? Okay, no issue. Hope you guys all know the way of writing this test bench. Okay, so let's compile all. Okay, it will be good for us. Let's compile. all. So all the file will going to be compiled. See, our both file is okay, fine. See, this one is good, successful, this one is successful. Now we can simulate our this design. Mm, this one is our file, right? In RTL, what we do test bench only we in to verify our sockets. In Questa Prime, whenever we go for the design, we will take the value of this Verilog file. Okay, I think it will take some time because my system is working very fine nowadays. Where it's gone? It's working, but it's taking time a lot. See how much delay means my when this will change. Okay, now what is the steps? Right click, click on add wave, one wave. Now it's added. This is run all, right? Run all. It's taking so much time. No. Now you can analyze your circuits. Cell is what? 10. 10 in the sense what? It should give output as a 10 means third bit it should give. So 0, 1, 2. This one it will give for 0, 0. This one it will give for 0, 1. And this one it is giving as a 1, 0. See? Now let's check more. See all 0. Here 1, 1. Okay? 1, 1. So 0th bit, 1th bit, second bit, third bit means at 1, 1 what should be your output? 1. So here my output is 1 only. Okay, same 0, 0. 0th bit is getting at the output. If you guys want to zoom it out in this way, you can zoom it. Okay, it's too much. In this way you can zoom out. Okay, so today we have done the coding with a coding of 4 raised to 1 marks with if else statement. Tomorrow I will tell you the best way, that is case statement, how to use case statement inside the procedural block. That one is more easy. Okay, these things also easy, but that one is more easy. So till then, bye, and do some mistakes in your code. Okay, see, still I am doing some mistakes, right? So you guys have to do some mistakes. You should get some more error and you have to resolve that error. Then only you will become a perfect coder. Okay, till then, bye, take care, and please do subscribe, do like, do share, dear. Okay, bye, take care. Thank you so much. Okay.